PhiBix tricks for character creator 3 and 4. Despite the missing of a mirror flip option, how to get a symmetric flip of the haircut? Here is a provisional solution. To flip off the haircut to x-axis, by dragging the x-axis scale to -100, approximately, if its value is not displayed. Then we see the other side of the scalp, so we have to activate the two-sided option in the Material tab, Issue Fixed. But if we can modify the position of the hair, however, we can no longer work on the scale. The hair flips over on the y-axis. However, we can use the Edit Mesh to change the scale without issue. And the morph sliders work well. Hoping that helps. Have fun. PhiBix for Reallusion.